Example 6. Here are some times that it took a track team to run 5 kilometers in minutes. Okay, so some of our numbers have decimal points. So as far as the stem plot is concerned, we're going to round those to 29, 31, and 37, and 42. So, make a stem plot for this data, describe the shape of the distribution, calculate the mean, median, and mode, and then which measures of center best describe the data set. So I just noticed that I tried to preset this up with a nice big long stem and leaf plot as if I was going to use all of those decimal places, and that's a pretty long stem, right? So that means that I actually set this up kind of wrong. So we're not going to use this big, huge one. Instead, since we now only have 2 digits everywhere, going from 17 to 42, that means our stems only have to go from 10, 20, 30, up to 40. We'll use a straight edge. Get ourselves some organization here. So again, looking at our numbers, luckily they did give these to us in order. Our numbers in the stem and leaf plot were 17, 26, 29, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 35, 37, and 42. Maybe I should redraw that somewhere where I can actually fit it. Or remake this video. I guess you'll find out when you see which video this is. So either way, that looks mostly symmetrical to me. 1, 2, 3, 4. Because that 2 leaves, that set of 2 leaves, does kind of bring our shape up in the middle a little bit more. So it does still mostly look symmetric. So part B, this is a symmetric data set. Part C, they asked for the mean, the median, and the mode. So for those, we actually do have to use the original numbers, not the rounded numbers. So I'm getting rid of my rounded numbers so they don't confuse me. So the original numbers, looks like there is no mode. But the mean and the median we can calculate soon. I have sped this up a little bit by preloading this list with the decimals originally. So we can stat calc 1 on L1 and find out that our mean is about 30.991. Remember to round to 3 decimal places. And our median, scrolling down here, is 31.2. So because it's symmetric, the best measure of center is the mean, or about 30.991. Sorry, this was 5 kilometers, not 1 kilometer. And these are measured in minutes. So most of them, the most expected amount of time, 30.991, almost 31 minutes. So it's okay if you make mistakes. Just make sure that as you start to work around those mistakes, make sure that everybody can see the part that you really want to keep. All right, see you in the next lesson.